Cobalt,
today we're car washing a 2007 Cobalt.
2007? Holy shit.
2007.
Oh, 7. Whoa there.
Hey, Motorsport! We got Big Shock over here. This guy's giving me a free,
What you think?
free washer.
Not no lollipop, made a mess, heart spill like a dream, like I need a mop on my face. There be hopes and dreams, I can't seem to stop. I made my life the way it is. I had my time to live it. You know there is nothing to be broken.
We're doing this in the middle of the day. It's supposed to be Kizzy right now, bro. But I guess this is a free car wash day, you know? Yay!
Yeah, you know?
$3.99, say let's pay.
Trying to save his water bill.
Yeah. He's using my water bill. He owes me $20.
Yeah.
$20 and gives you $2.
A little bit of the
I'm chilling, y'all fighting over tests. I just ask you care for my heart, ain't down for nothing less. Cause I'm loving you for your presence, I'm loving to my death.
Oh my god.
Yes, you got it, misunderstood, I ain't just anybody. So if you think that I'm Johnny Test, go press and try to test me. What you think? This ain't nothing sweet, not no lollipop. Made a mess, heart spilled like a dream, like I need a mop on my face. There be hopes and dreams, I can't seem to stop. I made my life the way it is. I had my time to live it. I feel bad, so I think
Oh
I'll
shit,
go
I
faster.
bet.
Wanna play, get the fuck on my land, so you like hoes, man, that's something I can't do. You can bark, but you munch on that cat food. Stay with your crowd, yeah, that's why you want this shit. Want it to be known, yeah, I seen it. Words.
Alright, Chalus. We're in another Kizzy vlog type shit. Over here watching this guy's junk silica parts.
Cause I did it. Yeah, my style get caught like a right click. Yeah, my flow sound the same as that guy did. Yeah, my love is as basic as white chicks. But you know why it's better? Cause I did it.
Ow!
Like I need more kaboom when I step the fire starting. When I rip the mic, it's burning like I'm spitting with some caution. Got your girl lit up, she need more attention in the audience. I swear I ain't the nicest, but I ain't the type to barge in. I got many flows, as much as it takes. How could you break the surface when you're really holding a rate? I wish I had legs so I could reminisce by the time we was holding hands, laughing, looking at the brown eyes. Cause when the sun starts to come up, I feel some type of bliss. Suddenly the bullshit in my life will cease to exist. I do not fear not waking up, cause it's the time I'm at peace. And if a pussy run his mouth, it's time I pray for the cease. I don't think I'm really worth it, though I got what it takes. Time's a currency, don't plan on extending my way, but I do, cause you know that you got a piece of my heart. Hell, I might just take it back because it's part going dark.
Dude, you know what this is for? For anum tangs, dude. Yeah.
Alright.
Huh?
Okay, Axl, that's his shifter right there.
Shoot. No, this is my handbrake. This is my handbrake.
This is your handbrake.
Yeah, this is my handbrake part.
This
This
is your handbrake on?
is my Feffen handbrake, if you ask.
Spitfire, I mark fiends, I let them have it. Little kids like for school, shoot automatics. You get the flip like it's trampolines and acrobatics.
You wanna see my tricky spider bar? Woo! Bar, dude, this is white shaka flocka.
Oh, there's actually a spider, bro.
Mini shaka, dude.
Oh shit, it's not in frame. GG's.
Alright, buddy. Oh, hell no, this guy taking my truck, dude. Alright, Shupar Jasaki.
Tryna act crazy around a hoe, that's a bitch, man. Never been the type to down the brother, bitches see you. Never take a crib by the lake, cause lakes come with leaves too. Jasmine ain't my tea, so you know I'm drinking C2. Fuck me, you brothers tell to go, I'm tryna. I'm position on my team.
Alright, so next up, we're working on the Kizzy boy Raymond's car. The one of one green Camaro on Guam type shit. Yes, sir.
Fuck you, never wanna shine, cause I heard that I'm blind. The bitch feeling like a hellboy, I'm copping Millie out. Like a psycho playing life, risking high, told the balls. Nervous on sucking blood, I ain't playing with my goals. All I know is suffer second, I get hurt, I'm feeling vanish. Liking how we raid your chest, I'm feeling like I'm hella Danish. Problems, but for me they small, so I micromanage. Boy, my tape flex, I do hella damage. Know it be for life, but a second a bitch come around. Never am I heated till you act the fool and make it sound. I ain't got it bad, but if the lines across the spraying grounds.
The music's about to get us copyrighted.
Today,
Today, we're learning how to wash a car.
we're washing the sexy guy's Camaro, you know? Hell yeah. And we're at this guy's sexy ass house, you know what I'm saying? Yes sir, bless up. This guy right here.
Axl owes me 20 bucks for water.
Big forehead Sneel, bro. Come on now. Hell yeah, Brad. Oh, look at this guy right here. Ooh, satisfying. And you got the DJI wet. What a fucking good one, dude. Lanya, par. This guy showering me, dude. Freaking guy, par. Oh, cherry bread. So far, with the chukis chalus. Yes, sir.
No.
Are you into me? Alright, buddy. Woo! Like I'm into you. Let's go. Hawaiian pizza. Hawaiian pizza.
Yeah, it's a lot easier at work compared to this.
But shit.
Minish on the beach.
Ah.
Easy things possible.
We're back at it. We're back at it. Oh, damn, my boy.
Kizzy Vlogs 101. Run it back, my boy. Yes, sir.
What are we making right now? What are we making right now?
As you can see, we got
Kizzy patties.
Kizzy patty.
Okay, okay.
We got the Hawaiian bread.
Oh yeah.
Over here.
And then over here just
We got the mashed patata.
Okay.
The mashed patata,
Okay.
the steak patata, and
crispy pata, bra.
crispy pata.
Yeah, we feasting or what?
Bro.
We are feasting, man.
Man, Dustin's missing out though.
Dustin is missing out.
Bro, Dustin's a bitch because bragging about his new car, my boy. Alright.
How many patties are there left?
I don't know, we just took all of it.
I'm playing with some meat, par. As you can see.
Holy shit.
Show us how you
If
play with
it
me.
ain't certified, it's not the best.
Jigga that.
Ooh, jiggle all the way.
Look at that guy. Oh, wait,
You gotta enjoy our presence now, bro, before Dustin starts flexing his V, bro.
Yeah.
Right, Dustin? I know this guy's gonna be seeing this, bro. Look at this guy.
Oh, what if that's where he's going right now? He's going to the dealership. Shit.
tomorrow?
Come on, you would never miss a Kizzy
Nah.
hangout. That guy would never miss a Kizzy hangout like that.
I know. This
You
thing,
booked this, location,
you never see
bro.
that guy skip a Kizzy hangout, bro. So it's
Yeah.
definitely got to do something with that, huh? Nice.
Raymond.
Raymond over here cooking
Chef
with
Raymond.
the manager and this and that.
Chef Raymond.
Oh, look at this guy, bro.
Kind of fucking up right now.
Goddamn, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know. And look at the burgers right there, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Trust me, the other ones were better.
Yeah, Axl today,
Oh,
he's
kinda
gonna
fuck
fill
up
up
right
his belly button type shit.
Don't do good under pressure.
Axl's gonna fill his belly button today, my boy. Yeah.
Obesity, diabetes, everything here.
Right there.
Badass event.
That's a W dinner, bro. That's a W dinner, bro.
Yeah, we got
We are
Sending
not
this in the
feasting.
group chat, boy.
Yeah, bro. Axl got leftovers tonight.
Yeah. This guy got cooking for the next few nights, bro.
I'm taking the rest home, bro.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
God. I need this.
Holy cow, Fari better than VIP right now, dude.
Can you put this back?
Women.
Hey, clueless. No idea why I'm stressing. Let that Ruben get to stepping. Copy off the back of this and trim it with the
Yeah, I made it. Axl's
That ain't me, but you.